Welcome to one of the world's most advanced smartphone manufacturing facilities, where millions of iPhones are born every single day.
This is where cutting-edge technology meets precision engineering.
Today, we follow Supervisor James Chen.
James has dedicated his career to quality excellence. He knows every detail of the production process by heart.
The production floor spans over 50,000 square meters, employing thousands of workers and thousands of robots.
On any given day, this facility produces nearly 50,000 iPhones. That's approximately 2,000 units per hour.
Every worker undergoes rigorous safety training. Quality and worker well-being are non-negotiable in this facility.
Everything begins here. Components arrive from suppliers worldwide, screens from Korea, processed.
Before a single component enters production, it undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Even a 0.01 millimeter deviation is caught and rejected. Artificial intelligence-powered sorting ensures zero errors. Components are cataloged and organized for rapid assembly access.
The iPhone display is a marvel of modern technology. Each OLED screen is individually calibrated for perfect color accuracy and brightness levels.
Every pixel is tested. Calibration ensures no iPhone display leaves this facility unless it meets Apple's exacting standards.
Advanced AI-powered cameras inspect each screen for defects invisible to the human eye. Only perfect displays proceed.
The circuit board is the brain of every iPhone. Thousands of components, each the size of a grain of sand.
At 450 degrees Celsius, each component is permanently bonded. Temperature fluctuations of even 5 degrees can compromise the entire board. Each circuit board is tested against 2,000 parameters. Power delivery, data signals, memory integrity, everything is verified within milliseconds. The iPhone chassis begins as solid aluminum blocks. High-precision CNC machines cut and shape each piece to exact specifications.
Through anodizing, aluminum is chemically treated to create a hardened surface. This process gives the iPhone its iconic.
Every camera port, microphone opening, and speaker cutout must align perfectly. Tolerances are measured in hundredths of a millimeter. The iPhone camera system contains precision optics that rival professional cameras. Multiple lenses must be perfectly aligned to nanometer accuracy.
Each camera is tested for autofocus speed, image quality, and optical accuracy. The system must achieve perfect focus in under 50 milliseconds.
With perfect calibration complete, the camera modules are integrated into the aluminum housing.
The battery is among the most critical and regulated components. This section operates under the strictest safety protocols in the entire facility. Each battery undergoes hundreds of charge-discharge cycles to ensure longevity. Capacity is tested to guarantee. Safety testing is absolutely uncompromising. Each battery is subjected to thermal stress tests, pressure tests, and display must connect with absolute reliability. The connector is secured and tested for signal integrity before the next component is added.
The power management system regulates every milliwatt flowing through the device. This component ensures battery longevity and device safety. Most important component?
Every cable is routed with precision. Incorrect routing could cause electromagnetic interference or component damage. The front and back housing must align with 0.1 millimeter accuracy. Each fastener is installed with computer-controlled torque precision. Too tight causes component damage. Too loose compromises structural integrity.
Premium waterproofing sealants ensure IP68 rating. The device can survive submersion in up to 6 meters of water for 30 minutes.
The display is installed with precision robotic arms. The oleophobic coating on the glass required careful handling to preserve its oil-resistant properties. Precision adhesive is applied under controlled thermal conditions. The adhesive must cure perfectly to ensure the display never separates.
With all internal components secured and sealed, the iPhone takes its final form. The gap tolerance is so precise you cannot feel any separation.
The operating system is installed wirelessly into each device. This happens at a rate of 50,000 devices per hour across the entire facility.
Each device boots up and runs comprehensive system diagnostics. Storage, memory, processors, sensors, everything.
Face ID utilizes over 30,000 data points to create a unique facial recognition profile for each.
Face ID utilizes over 30,000 data points to create a unique facial recognition profile. Before any iPhone reaches a customer, it must pass through the most rigorous testing facility in smartphone manufacturing. Each processor is pushed to its limits. Benchmark tests verify processing speed, memory access times, and computational accuracy against specifications.
Thermal stress tests simulate heavy usage. Devices are run at maximum processor capacity while thermal sensors monitor temperature distribution.
Display quality is verified a final time. Color accuracy, brightness uniformity, and response time are tested to ensure zero defects. Camera systems are tested in simulated low-light, standard, and high-contrast conditions. AI analyzes each image for noise, sharpness, and color accuracy.
Over 12 different sensors are individually calibrated. Accelerometers, gyroscopes.
Battery capacity is tested and verified. Each iPhone must meet or exceed its specified capacity rating before proceeding.
Accelerated aging tests simulate 500 charge cycles in just hours. This ensures batteries will provide excellent performance for years of customer use.
Wireless connectivity is tested: 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. Each connection physical buttons, speakers, microphones, haptic feedback. Everything is tested one final time.
Every iPhone deserves premium presentation. The unboxing experience begins with carefully selected, perfectly manufactured packaging materials. Each box contains a precisely assembled collection of accessories. USB-C cables are inspected for durability. Documentation in 45 languages, warranty cards, and safety information are precisioned.
Each iPhone is placed in custom-molded protective padding. This padding absorbs impact and ensures the device arrives in perfect condition.
A protective film is applied to the display. This film prevents transport scratches and is easily removed by customers during unboxing. A protective film is applied to the display. This film prevents transport scratches and is easily removed by customers during unboxing. The box is sealed with precision. The Apple logo alignment is verified, and seal integrity is confirmed before shipping. Random samples are selected for final quality assurance. Statistical sampling ensures that every batch meets Apple's standards.
Sample units are completely unboxed. The unboxing experience is inspected exactly as customers will experience it.
The sample device is powered up and all functions verified one final time. Only after this final check do boxes proceed to shipping.
Approved units move to shipping staging. Containers are organized for worldwide distribution. This facility ships to 195 countries.
Each iPhone receives a unique identifier. Barcodes track every unit through logistics. Apple knows exactly where every device is at any moment. Containers are sealed and certified. Official documentation ensures regulatory compliance and authenticity verification in every market.
Containers are loaded onto trucks destined for distribution centers worldwide. From this facility, iPhones reach customers across the globe.
I'm Supervisor James Chen. Every single device used in this facility, engineering and dedication to quality.
We maintain zero tolerance for defects. Every single iPhone that leaves this facility meets Apple's uncompromising quality standards.
These devices reach customers in 195 countries. They capture memories, connect loved ones, and empower people worldwide.
This facility produces approximately 20 million iPhones annually. That represents one device for every 400 people on Earth.
This facility operates with 100% renewable energy. Water is recycled and reused.
Innovation never stops. Our team constantly improves manufacturing processes. We invest millions annually in advancing production technologies.
This facility represents the pinnacle of smartphone manufacturing. It's where technology dreams.
Thank you for joining us inside Apple's iPhone factory. We hope you gained appreciation for the incredible engineering and dedication behind every device.
Like this video if you appreciate manufacturing excellence. Comment your favorite part of the production process. Subscribe for more factory documentaries and behind-the-scenes content.
Subscribe to Factory Insights for weekly manufacturing documentaries, industrial engineering breakdowns, and behind-the-scenes facility tours.